Hi Algebra 1 students, this is Mr. Schussler, and this is an example for your Unit 5 summary activity. So I'm using an iPad here. In your example video, you may use an iPad if you have one, or a tablet to do kind of a screencast like I'm doing, or you may also use a handwritten paper and kind of talk through your work that way as well. But follow along, and this is kind of what I'm expecting from you for your example. So here I have an example problem from page 237 in the textbook, problem number 37. And the question asks, line L passes through point -9, 4 with a slope of 4/7. So write an equation in point slope form and slope intercept form. So first I'm going to start with point slope form, and then I'm going to convert to slope intercept form. So here we have the equation for point slope form. I will then plug in the point. So here I have my equation. This is the point slope form of the equation. We have the point -9, 4, and a slope of 4/7. I will then now put it into slope intercept form, and I'm going to walk us through this because I need to show my work. So slope intercept form comes in the form y equals mx plus b. And so what I need to do to convert from point slope form to slope intercept form first is take my point slope form and distribute the 4/7 into the parentheses. So here I have distributed 4/7 into the x and the minus -9, which ends up with a positive. And now my last step is to add 4 to both sides. And my final answer here, I have y is equal to 4/7 x plus 64/7, and y minus 4 times 4/7. Y minus 4 is equal to 4/7 times x minus a -9. So this is how we would write an equation in point slope form and slope intercept form using the steps that I have outlined on my summary slide. Bye for now.